So again, we are just verifying that these two answers either work or don't work. We're not actually solving this equation yet. We're not quite ready for that. But pretend like we did all the work to solving. We got these two as an answer, and we wanted to check our work just for peace of mind. And we wanted to check our answers to make sure that they're not extraneous and they need to be taken out. All right, so for part A, let's go ahead and just substitute in pi over 2. Everywhere there's an x. And then we're trying to determine if that is true. So it looks like I need to use the unit circle for this spot and this spot. So the sine of pi over 2 is 1. The sine of pi over 2 is 1. And then it looks pretty straightforward. 2 times 1 squared minus 1 equals 0. So pi over 2 is in fact a solution. All right, let's now plug in 7 pi over 6. And see if that also works. Okay, so we've got 2. Okay, so here's where I need to plug in the unit circle value. So the sine at 7 pi over 6 is negative 1/2, the y value at that location, and same thing, negative 1/2. All right, and then we've got 2 times negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 would be positive 1/4. Minus a negative is plus. Minus 1. Okay, so 2 times a 4th would be a half. Plus a half would give me 1. Subtract 1 gives me 0. So even though completely, this sign was 1, this sign was negative 1/2, would make you think that maybe they wouldn't make both sides equal 0. But if you work it through, you stick it out, you can see that it is also a solution.